Alright guys, this is how we step to go up there to see it. See that? And we walk like this. It's kind of scary, but that's how we see the baby birds in green and stuff. Like how we see the moms eat every day. But she goes to that trees and stuff. And I guess she's sitting down there. I think I'm wrong. And that she's somewhere up there, but if you guys want to see her next time, yeah. Hit this big thumbs up if you want to see it. And this is how she stays right here. So this tree here will stay here. So that's how she goes up there. So that's how she finds food.
She flies.
Yeah, she flies to find her babies.
Every bird can fly.
I guess. And that's the nest. See that? You guys hear some bird sounds that's coming from here. Look at that. And guys, we just found the mom. And there she is. Oh, and then she flew. Oh, there she is. Look at it. And she's up there. I don't know where she... Oh! Up there. And I think that's the dad up there.
No.
Yeah, the dad. I think it's the dad. Way up there. Oh, there she is. There she is. Alright guys, she gets the food, the worms. She's trying to find anyone to leave. Alright guys, look! You see it closer. She's eating the food. Alright, we're gonna leave. Up there. So there she is. She's trying to find a place. And they're little babies. They're grown up. So thank you so much for watching the channel. Thank you. Bye.